The traditional rice is eaten in many ways in different countries. Today we are in Thailand to introduce to you a unique local Thai rice dish, Yam Naem Klook. What is this about? Coming up right after this. And I'm Glenn.
I'm Anne.
We are your friendly travelers sharing the world together with you. Now today we are in the province of Nakhon Ratchasima in northeast Thailand, and we are at a local street market in one of their districts, and we are going to show you this unique Thai street food rice dish. Alright, what is this about? Now let's go in and take a look. Alright, so now we are going into this local street market. Alright, and this is the usual way that one of their street will be closed up, during specific time and converted to a street market, local market. Right? And the timing here is about 3:30. So usually the local market will open up around 3, right, all the way up to about 6 o'clock. Alright, now let's go and find the store that's selling that dish, and which is also one of my favorite dish over here. Alright. Alright, so this is the stall, alright, that we will be buying that dish from. And because I'm staying nearby, usually I patronize this stall quite a lot, and I really like this dish. Alright, so wait for our turn, and I will actually show you what this dish is about. Right. The local Thai street dish, alright, Yam Naem Klook, alright, which is a unique way of the local Thais eating their rice. Alright, I'll just show you some of the ingredients, and later on the pretty lady boss will actually do up the dish for us. Alright, if you see here, alright, this is Kao Tod, which is their local dish of fried rice cake. Right, and this is one of their ingredients. Alright. And this is
Naem.
What's the name of this?
Naem.
Naem, alright, which is a mix of pork skin and minced meat steamed together. Alright. So the actual dish of Yam Naem Klook is actually a mixture of all this, and she'll be doing it right now for us to take a look. Alright, and first some pieces of the rice cake. And she'll mash all these up. Alright, adding the rice cake, and then the steamed minced pork and pork skin and fried dried chili. Right. And there is fish sauce. Alright, so all is mashed up together, and adding of some garnishes. Okay. And peanuts. Alright.
Special.
ครับ ขอบคุณครับ
โอเคที่รัก
ครับ
Just for you. Okay.
Alright, so all this is actually mashed up together.
ตอนนี้ก็ผักชีโรยหน้า Okay.
Alright, okay. So that's the dish all done up. Yes. She asked me whether I want to, have a taste of it. Alright. Yeah. So let me just have a try of this as well. right?
ด่วนไหมตะอี้
So imagine the crunchiness of the fried rice with the peanut and the minced
เดี๋ยว
pork and skin, you know, steam and all mashed up together. Really a pretty explosive flavor, right?
รายได้50 บาทเดี๋ยวจะจัดชุดให้
So this is how much? 50 baht, which is about maybe $1.50 US, right? And usually it will be packed with raw vegetables, all right, lettuce and cabbage, and also while you are eating the rice dish again, all right, you can go together with the fresh veggie, all right. So this is the unique local Thai street food of Yam Naem Klook. Alright, very delicious. Definitely when you're in Thailand, alright, you have to find a store and taste it. Okay, so this is all we have for this video. Do remember to click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Click below as well, and leave your comments whether you have tasted this dish before, and if you would like to taste it, you know where you could find it. Alright, so until the next video, bye.